operations. And the purpose of this channel and the series of videos that you're about to watch is to share with you my 27 years of experience of working in the lean industry. My lean career started back in 1992 when I worked at Toyota, and I worked there for 10 years, and I even had my own sensei, which has helped me so much with my career. After that 10 years, I then joined a consultancy, and I started to work with some big companies around the world. What I quickly learned was a lot of companies were trying to implement lean just using the lean tools themselves. Something was missing. It just wasn't sustainable. But it turns out that missing ingredient was what we had at Toyota, which was built in, which was the behavior of the management team and the behavior of employees. So the intent of these videos that you're about to see is for me to show you how we implement lean and give those behavioral foundations to any company, which might just give you the competitive edge that you're looking for. And I've done this with many companies such as Daimler, Mercedes, Freightliner, Siemens, Lego, Novo Nordisk. So if you're interested and you want to see more, then please subscribe. If you like this video, click like, and I'll show you more.